Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is August 6th, and we have 3 stories shaping the Southeast Asia crypto market. Bitcoin is near $64,649, up 0.93%. Ethereum is at $1,907, up 2.1%. Solana is at $74, up 0.5%. Fear and greed is still in fear territory, but flows are shifting. Let me walk you through what is driving that shift. Story 1. Bitcoin spot ETFs just posted a second straight day of strong inflows, and Ethereum ETFs joined in. On August 4th, US spot Bitcoin ETFs pulled in about $211 million, right after $170 million on August 3rd. That ends a 7-day outflow streak from late July. BlackRock's IBIT led with roughly $170 million, close to 80% of the day. Fidelity FBTC added about $19 million, ARKB about $9 million, and Bitwise BITB about $9 million. On the Ethereum side, spot ETFs took in about $53 million, with BlackRock ETHA leading at $42 million. Solana ETFs added about $1 million. For Southeast Asia investors, this is a clear rotation signal. Institutional money is coming back into the largest issuers first, and flows are broadening from Bitcoin to Ethereum and now Solana. Story 2. Vietnam's National Assembly is moving to place virtual asset service providers directly under its anti-money laundering framework. On August 5th, the State Bank of Vietnam governor presented a draft law that amends 3 foundational statutes at once. The proposal redefines beneficial owner, classifies virtual asset service providers as reporting entities, and specifies suspicious transaction indicators. It also grants the Ministry of Finance oversight and inspection powers. That means if the law passes, crypto providers will carry the same customer identification and transaction monitoring duties as banks. For Vietnamese viewers, this stacks on top of Decree 284, which takes effect September 1st with trader-level fines. For Filipino, Indonesian, and Thai viewers, this is the clearest signal yet that Southeast Asian regulators are aligning crypto rules with existing banking law. Story 3. A new report from Hashed Open Research and SCBX titled "Powering Southeast Asia's Digital Future" is redrawing the regional map. It says more than 60% of Southeast Asian payments are now digital. The report splits the region into 2 groups. Singapore, Thailand, and Malaysia are described as offensive players, actively building local currency stablecoins and tokenized deposits. Vietnam, Indonesia, and the Philippines are described as defensive players, bringing informal dollar crypto activity inside the regulatory perimeter as a hedge against dollarization. The Philippines specifically is examining stablecoins as a settlement layer for about $35 billion in annual inbound remittances. This framing tells you where each country's own crypto policy is likely to move next. Let me wrap up today's 3 stories. First, Bitcoin ETFs posted a second straight day of strong inflows on August 4th, with BlackRock IBIT dominating and Ethereum ETFs joining. Second, Vietnam's National Assembly moved to place virtual asset service providers under anti-money laundering reporting duties. And third, a Hashed and SCBX report split Southeast Asia into offensive stablecoin builders and defensive dollarization hedgers. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want more chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. See you in the next one.